Hi guys, these are my new hair clips by Canitor. So they're a 4.1 inch long, large hair claw. These are giving me mega like 2000s Y2K vibes. I feel like they've really made a comeback lately. But these are great if you have super thick hair as well as just more like normal or even thin hair. But especially if you have thick hair that doesn't usually stay up with clips, I am having no issues with it. And my hair definitely falls on the thicker, longer side. It kind of lands a little bit past my bust, just for reference. So I'm trying out each color here. You can see there's a great color variation. We've got this kind of white and more tortoise shell one. Black, and then there's also a clear one, so we'll see all of those styles. I'm not super skilled with putting these in, but they are super easy to just place in. Try to give just a quick look from the back, and I tried to kind of switch up the look with each of these as per how I place them at the end too. I'll do a little half up, half down, but quickly in. If you just need to like pull your hair off your neck, I know during the summer months it just feels so nice to have your hair off of your neck and to not have it be in a ponytail. I sometimes find ponytails give me a little bit of a headache, whereas these ones, you just clip it up. It's quickly off your hair. I tried to do a little half do up here. Obviously, doesn't look super sleek. If you had your hair styled a little bit more proper, I had just come from a swim, but I still love how it looks. Definitely recommend it.